world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Okay. This is still part of Stuff We Do's birthday weekend. Yesterday we did an unboxing. Either before or after this video. I'm planning on doing two today. I was working up to like 1 o'clock, so now I'm going to do this for a while. Okay, excuse me. Yes. Anyway, so I was not sure what to do today, but I was reading up, I was actually checking EDC things, and then I saw a lot of people carrying things like dominoes and worry stones and all manner of weird little pocket thingies, and I thought, what's this all about? Okay, so I read up on worry stones. Now, apparently, since the beginning of time, people carried little knickknacks with them that they would hold and feel and touch, and then it would reassure you. Now, they say this stuff even helps release stress. Sorry, there's a plane flying almost overhead. It's still going. Still going. Okay, anyway, so they said that these things actually bring down stress levels. It can help with OCD, it can help with ADHD, whatever, all of those things. And then they said it can relieve psychological stress and whatnot by you touching this little object. Now, okay, most people, I think, just carry like challenge coins or whatever with them. And I think it's because we don't actually, in South Africa, our coins are not worth enough to, for you to actually carry it with you anymore. Okay, so we pretty much just use cards for everything. So I think it's the fact that we don't have that tactile thing to play with that, and it can apparently help. Anyway, whatever. So I was looking at these things, worry stones and rocks and plastic things and all kinds of things. So I thought, okay, maybe I should make myself something. Okay, excuse me. Then I decided, no, the brass ones, I'm not going to do that. Then I thought maybe wood. Wood could be nice, because most of them I saw is like a squarish type of thing, and then it has some kind of texture on it, or it's extremely smooth something. Some of them even have holes on the side, so you can put like a lanyard through it or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to make something like that. Okay, so I was thinking, what material am I going to use? Then I thought, I'm going to use bone. Okay, so the first thing I found was this thing my dog was playing with. So this is a normal beef bone. And then I thought, okay, you could cut it there and then make a little thing. But this seems a bit too small. I'm not actually sure about the size for these things. And this is a dog bone, so I'm not sure if that is nice enough. So I decided, let's go bigger. Now, about a year ago, okay, I'm not sure I'm going to get this whole thing into focus, but about a year ago or so, see, it's a big thing. This is a camel. Camel? Camel, no, not a camel. Giraffe. This is a giraffe bone. Sorry, the translation from English to Afrikaans got me there for a second. Now, about the bone is very old. Well, very old. Maybe for 5 years. I'm going to say 5 years old. But then about a year ago, I cut it open just to make sure whatever is on the inside goes away. Okay, so I cut it open. I cut off the head or the other joint of this thing. Okay, so now I'm thinking I'm gonna cut a part out of this thing. I don't know how much, maybe that much. Yeah, that should be plenty big. So I'm gonna cut it off like that and then cut out a little section. Then we are going to buff and what and grind and sand and do whatever with this thing. Whenever you are working with bone, please remember anthrax come from the animal kingdom, so you don't actually want to grind and saw and what bones without something on your face. Okay, public announcement. Okay, I'm going to stick with that. So let's saw this thing and see what this is going to turn out like. I can't film and hold everything, so this sucks, but yes, let's keep sawing. While I have here, this is actually just a precursor. Eventually I want to use this bone to make some awesome knife scales for a fixed blade I'm planning to organize. So there's our piece that we are going to be working with. But I think I'm going to chop it into pieces with an axe. And yes, always come to me for fashion. I have my burger socks and fake crocodiles. Okay, so I'm going to take that axe, that mallet, that thing, and then chop it into pieces. One-handed, I can't show you, unfortunately. Okay, beautiful. 4 chunks. Now, we will see how I'm going to do this. I think grinder. Okay, I'm not sure how I'm going to show you this, but I'm going to start this thing now, and then do that. Maybe I can video like that. We'll see. Okay, I am covered in this white dust everywhere, but this is what this looks like now. Bone, nice and smooth. That side looks quite cool. Although it's like bone, whenever it looks rough, it's still fantastically smooth. Because remember, I didn't actually do any sandpaper, I just used that Scotch-Brite, or what's it, M3 sanding thing. Okay, so I even did holes for lanyard things. Now I'm going to keep this thing in my pocket and see if that makes me feel better. Okay, all of you, stay safe, happy, have a good one. Goodbye. Okay, I know I already said goodbye, but after I've oiled these things, they look fantastic. So this one is mine. The other one my daughter wants. I'm not sure for what. But that thing, I'm going to keep this in my pocket now. And then I'm going to rub it and feel my stress fade away.